feelings. Yes. Why I say, we don't know see the drum regularly for here. This one now the show we call BOBOS and we don't fire them. We don't come again. We don't show for your screen.
We don't show. Apropos people, I want me to know, say, okay, sorry, sir, moderator.
I beg yes, when I don't say I don't come again, I don't feel day without my criminals there. But today, not only one criminal I deal with. I know it's nearly the two of them. This one, something go hold am there. Another one, the other day, now Shakara we say one girl go capture. Now, showman.
Make it.
That's a Calabar girl where we talk that day. We talk say you want you talk, you cannot fucking talk at the same time. Showman don't follow the girl go.
See what
now we tell us the showman now.
Make I give you the real gist before we introduce our guest.
Yeah.
Now, get one girl. She did Banana Island. The papa get money. The girl send me text. Showman call read the text. And I said, so now that time I go and I say, why say I get fever? I nowhere.
Yeah.
No be say nowhere. You understand? She hosts me if you see food, if you see drink, everything. 2 days. As Showman read the text, that's what Showman can copy the address. Now, so as I talk to you now, Showman did it. So when if I catch, okay. Maybe if you come now, you go.
Who? I'm not there for that one. You don't say me, I only follow that those kind of package. Yes, I beg you, we just a falling, as I talked before. Now, BOBOS here. We get one spoofy dude where we talk.
As a matter of fact, Ugo, let me introduce
him because
now this is now one of the first guys who I meet for Lagos when I come from Jos, you know. Comedian extraordinary. He be comedian, he be dramatist, he be radio presenter. Nothing never do. He don't sell a tapia one time like this. He don't hustle. Now hustler. And he always walk out from place to place. So we call him Johnny Waka.
I mean, we're going to Johnny Waka. We do it now.
Johnny. Catch him.
You know, say now, we know the you broom again. I pack all the 2 and sweep. We buy packer everywhere. Now be our logo. My brother, Opolo eye, not be open eye. Not be who he eye big pass, not be no something pass at all. Make I remove my glad me, you see him.
Yeah, because I can't fear whether I get past eye. You know, the person will get past eye. If they greet you, person there, they go to answer. Hey, my brother, what do you want to greet? You want to greet, oh?
Yes, Sabi, we don't come again. We'll talk the matter for today. We just want to talk this matter. Make we open BOBOS Yash and Babes Yash then small today. I would say we want to do today with that. We just want to talk this thing. They're very simple. How if you take no if person they cheat on you? How person if you take no if your partner they cheat on you? That's the matter we want to talk about. That's why we carry Johnny Waka come. Because you know, say Johnny Waka, don't Waka, and he go Waka, enter this gist today.
And he don't Waka enter marry.
He don't Waka,
marry.
He don't marry.
Oh, sorry, Johnny, you want more talk that part too? Because the single ladies.
Wait, Naija go marry. You know, say for Nigeria, you just say get some Nigeria guy we don't tire, no money to pay bride price. They can't go India.
Okay.
Waka go India. I know say India. Now woman, they pay
my bride price.
They just you pay my bride price. Give me ring for next. We now waist we they put the ring. The ring no size man. The computer for waist cannot come here. That's I tell Waka enter.
I bet Johnny, may we start with you today because we will be regular men for this bar. Make I follow. May you just help us unleash the matter. How you person fit know if your partner they cheat on him?
Wait. How you want to know for Nigeria? Been
how you just
generally. Why you not go know? You know say one woman don't they see another man. You go know say her character will come change. If na big way they touch before once, bah, she go there. So you go just please excuse me. You know say they don't they as when they don't
that one, I cut you notice say na mood, maybe no be.
Some babes say true. As some babes say we say is it that mood or say that they vex. Or you just do something.
Make I tell you one thing. Bini say, I you know what does it? If you your way. What did that one mean? Say if you want pursue person who get money, you not go beat and you can't do and bad things when you hate. So you go come by himself, waka commot. Say this person, be like say no need that. So now say they be. You know, you understand? So you come they do all this. So when they do all those things, you know say this girl don't they waka small. Don't they waka they go small. So you all know. So make I tell you one thing. You get one thing where we don't know. No, women will be fool to women.
No, some of men.
No, some of those men. You see this bar, the men where they this bar will be three. You see the three of us? No, we can never be fully. Lover boy can be a fully, but two of us can be a fully.
Bros, I beg. They put salt.
No, drink
No,
small,
drink small. They don't put salt.
This one, this one, just not be the, just not be the strime where they want for swear for this governor into this one. Because this time I big juju water swear for
all of them. Talk something before we start. You know, they say all these governors they swear them into office. Say some of them they chop money say because na just Bible now they
swear
for them. Say Johnny Wakasi say me they do it.
May we swear for the enter. And big juju say no you carry money go die there, bruh. I don't go Kinja go spend 5 days they have the man. I will want to swear for these people enter. At least those one way don't feel slim, we not go swear for them because most of them already narrow. Already near. And don't wait fat go swear for them. So you know say everything they kill them go fat them anyhow. Bam. So that's what we go do.
Leave politicians.
When we talk about that, and I feel say if you really want to find out, say your babe or your guy they cheat on you. Number one thing, if communication don't they low, you know say some guys they will say before that they call you 5 times in a day. 6 times in a day, or every like 7 times in a day. The guy they call you, it go they reduce to 5, reduce to 3, to 2, to 1. All of a sudden, you go down to 1 times in a week.
0.
Okay,
you know, that kind of thing.
In another news, you get another thing where woman feel they do it. You know say she don't cheat. All man self. Now you get this kind of sudden care. We no day before at all. Because me I believe say love and care na gradual thing. They show care small you go they grow. But person when even send you, when they even care about you before. All of a sudden, you wake up the following morning, night tap you, bring food, breakfast in bed. Honey, you want this, you want this. You know why some people they do that one? That they won't blind you. You understand?
To notice.
So they not notice anything.
You understand? So that in case you won't even hear anything from anywhere, maybe now in the morning now, I wake up, hey, honey, you want this. Even if I come back from work, even if I come back around 12, where I go, for you to come to question me, you understand? Me, I don't day nice. I don't day nice all day. You understand? So that sudden too much care, na sign. But to show say something they wrong somewhere.
You get one thing with me. I won't try look and make I even throw him to Johnny. Johnny, I beg you don't say you don't marry.
Yes.
Now more put it like this. If for instance now say you did so before you marry, you been get chick. What be your experience with those babes where you take say those babes and you know they cheat all those kind of things they don't be your own.
Okay, fine. Get one thing for relationship, one thing for marriage. You know, if not be am, it not be am. If not be the original one, not be original one. You know, you get one chick when I don't get many, I bet more than not confirm you. Don't be life, oh, thank God. We just there. We also work out commot. I know say I talk like that time. You know, but get things where chick they like. And boy, where they talk like. And they like. Where. Get the chick when they go out with that time. It has stay. It has not today. It has stay. This chick be say, man, if we once I just call her, Nande, hello, how is work today? Finish now if you talk.
Hey.
I go they force myself to make sure say I talk. Just not the Greek come out. It go just dry. That area go dry. I force myself, force. Nothing where the chick not do. She go come my house, come massage me, come do this. I go, if I say if I be smile before, I'll come the tight face.
I beg you know expatiate on that, do this. What be the things?
What videos like?
Say she can't do this.
But before you go even talk and say, make we rush, enter streets, make we hear what people got stop.
Okay.
On top this matter. If we come back,
and you must tell us those things which you do.
Johnny Waka must tell us those things. Where the girl Waka carry come give am. When they come back, I go for streets.
It depends.
It's a simple thing now. Although many people they trick.
Maybe I can't say that my wife is cheating me in the house unless I catch her red-handed. Then I will know that she's cheating me.
Before I go answer that one, me I be Christian and most of the things I go to use answer you now based on the Bible. If person they cheat, by the fruit you will know. And then the lie no go fit last long if you dey truthful to am. The Holy Spirit is always there where go come show you say okay this person no deserve your faithfulness so you go know.
Because it's good to date somebody before you marry the person. because it's good to know the character of the person that you are marrying in the house. Because you get some woman, even though you travel, if you travel 5 years, cannot cheat on you. You get some, if you deal with the person in the house, he will be cheating on you. So it depends on the people, somebody that you are married.
If you are someone that doesn't trust your wife and monitoring her phone, her calls, so now that side you go know say this person they cheat on you, or you go get some more idea say you get something where they go on between my wife and the other person outside. So now from there you go they start to investigate. They go small, they investigate until you get the concrete evidence where you need before you go accuse them.
Sometimes so for me, I go carry my baby phone, check everything, all the old messages, all the old WhatsApp of it, But sometimes women say if they do bad things, they go if you saw your name with Mugu, all that kind of a thing. Saw your name from Obina to Chidima. You believe say na Chidima, you go no say, but na God go see us through. Na God is see us through. I tell you.